Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
Have you ever thought yard work could be fun? Well, it definitely can if it's easy. And that's why I like this weed pooler tool. This is a stand-up one. It's 52 inches by YYMIYU. I am tall, so I love using this while standing. And I also like that it pulls deep down into the weed, pulling out most of the root. So that way I just don't have to weed as often and have a beautiful lawn. This is easy to use. And look at this release handle and look how it clamps. So this clamp does wonderful. There's 4 claws there and it grips that weed so simply. Press it down, lift it on the side, and the weed is out. And the 4 claws have a beautiful grip. And without pulling the weed off of that claw, I'm able to release it. So it really is a easy to use tool. It took a little bit of practice. For instance, once I pull it out, I kind of like to push the bar to the side as it clamps down here and claws it. I also hit a rock and noticed that it did not bend or damage my weed puller. So I find that this is a high quality weed puller, and I also like that this is very sturdy. It's simple to use. It was very easy to install. It came beautifully packaged. I think it'd be an awesome gift for a man or a father. And you thread it on with 3 pieces, so it's easy to store as well. This is a really nice way to keep the lawn wonderful.
I love it, but that's just my point of view.